Hello dear fans. How much blood is in a person? Each person is individual not only in terms of appearance, psychology, behavioral reactions, but also in terms of physiology. In many ways, the characteristics of the body predetermine the nominal volume of blood in it and its composition. Blood is a physiological substance that constantly circulates in the human body. Thanks to it, the transportation of nutrients to vital organs, their saturation with oxygen, the functioning of all systems, including the respiratory organs, is carried out. In addition, the blood distributes heat and helps the body maintain the immune system. Natural blood volume. Each human body is individual. The volume of blood circulating through the vessels, large and small arteries, is different for everyone. But on average, the human body contains approximately 4.5 to 6 liters of blood. This indicator depends, first of all, on body weight. That is, the indicated volume is a certain percentage equivalent, equal to approximately 8% of body weight. A child's body contains significantly less blood than an adult's body. Its volume depends on age and weight. It should not be overlooked that the volume of blood constantly in the body changes and depends on such a factor as fluid intake. The amount of blood is also affected by the level of absorption of water, for example, through the intestines. In addition, the amount of blood in the body directly depends on what a person is doing, on his activity. The more passive a person is, the less blood he needs for life. Abundant blood loss, namely 50% or more, this is approximately 2 to 3 liters, in 98 cases out of 100 leads to the death of a person. In some cases, as a result of such blood loss, serious diseases can occur, for example, anemia, local necrosis, and impaired brain activity. Blood replacement. To replenish the blood lost by the body, doctors use a number of measures, one of which is blood transfusion. At the same time, the group and RH of the patient and the recipient, donor, are of great importance. It is known that blood is heterogeneous. 60% of its composition is plasma, the most important substance that doctors replenish during transfusion, i.e. it is not blood itself that is transfused, but plasma that is suitable for physiological characteristics. With a lack of plasma or the need to purify it, for example, after intoxication, a sodium chloride composition is used, which does not carry useful elements inherent in blood, but has the ability to perform transport functions in the body, transferring even a small amount of erythrocytes, platelets, etc. Thanks for watching.